What's the meaning of aide-memoire? Aide-memoire. 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 An aide-memoire is a French term that refers to a reminder or memory aid. It is usually a written document or a brief summary used to help an individual remember important information or key points. These are commonly used in business, academia, and government settings to ensure that important details are not missed or forgotten. Examples of an aide-memoire can include a cheat sheet, an index card, or a personal diary. Overall, an aide-memoire is an effective tool to help people remember essential details or information they need to recall over time.